Today I'll share facial cleansing techniques. Squeeze the facial cleanser into the palm of your hand. Begin cleansing from the chin. First, rub back and forth on both sides. Start by cleaning the entire chin area. Then, clean the area between the nose and mouth. Next, move to the cheeks. When cleaning the cheeks, gently make inward circles. Then stroke upwards. Interlock the thumbs and index fingers of both hands. Use the middle and ring fingers to massage the tip of the nose, cleansing the nasal area. The next step is to lift the entire bridge of the nose. Slide downwards gently without force. Apply force when lifting upwards. Then use 4 fingers to clean the entire eye area. After that, move to the forehead area. During the forehead cleansing, start with vertical strokes. After vertical strokes, perform horizontal strokes across the entire forehead. Then, stroke over both sides of the cheeks, moving down to the neck area for cleansing. After cleaning the neck, slide to the ear area. Support the ear with 4 fingers. Circle around the ear with the thumb to clean the entire ear area.